I'm stuck again. Guys, it is freaking cold outside, and yeah, I'm wearing a different shirt. But let's take a look outside, because that's what this video is going to be about, mostly. So, that's a little bit of snow buildup. Let's just clear that, and just look at all that snow that's falling out there. I mean, it's pretty. It's falling slowly, but heavy. I mean, totally off frame there for a second. I mean, for a Texas boy, guys, this is kind of cool. Even though I hate snow, but I mean that is just kind of pretty. And I wish you guys could see this if you haven't seen snow like this before, because seeing it in person is completely different than seeing it on video. But yeah, you can already see it starting to stack up on my window again. So they shut down all the highways to semi-truck traffic. So I'm, in all intents and purposes, stuck here like super glue. Did get approved to become a mentor, so all I have to do is go from here south to Pennsylvania to do the class tomorrow morning. But the roads are closed. So, yet again, I don't think I'm going to be a mentor this week. It's probably going to be next week. I mean, it is what it is, I guess. But I mean, come on. This has been like a month or two ordeal now to become a mentor. It's one thing or it's another thing. And damn, I need to shave. I'm looking like all mountain man like. Anyway, so yeah, as you see, there's a ton of snow outside. Just left Walmart, got some TV dinners, walked right into the break room and, you know, cooked me up some food. Wasn't too bad, but I'm kind of enjoying some of the time off, I guess. I've been doing some reading. If you know any good books or audiobooks, hey, throw it down there. I'd like to listen to some of them. Because the radio gets real boring after a while. And so, you know, I like to read. Or YouTube, obviously. You know, I like to watch YouTube. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe. And I'm hoping to have a student soon, so I can get you guys some better content if the snow wasn't here. Anyway, have a good one.